I'm coming to you guys with the new Biggie cheeseburger from Sonic. I know I'm late. I got some onion rings from Burger King, because I got her food from Burger King. So let's get started. Oh my gosh, she's gonna be playing with those lights because she always does that. Bless this food in Jesus' name, amen. I'll fry. Also some ketchup. But let's get into what this video is really about. Biggie cheeseburger. That's almost similar to a Whopper. I mean, not Whopper, a Big Mac. Look at that.
Mommy.
Mommy.
Mommy. Stop pee.
Okay.
Okay.
You want a bite?
I want to go pee-pee. I want pee-pee.
Okay.
I want pee.
Okay, y'all guys. Alright, take us to the bathroom, so hold on. Alright, I'm back. So, well, that tastes nothing like a Big Mac, that's for sure.
Even in my book. It's so good big. It's you.
It's really got.
It's you.
You still put your shoes on.
Sit down. You pick it out. You just got the baby. Ew.
Why are you oohing her?
It's baby.
Baby sleepy. It's 10 o'clock. It's time for her nap.
The shoe. Pick it out.
Leave it on. Wait till you get to the house to take it off, okay? I love onion rings, you guys. I mean, I like Sonic's onion rings, but I feel like they're too hard for me. These are just right. It's still crunchy. Don't need no ketchup or nothing. I love the barbecue taste. Love it. So, she cut her hair, y'all, right in the front. Yeah, she cut a big piece. Well, she got this much hair left right here. That's why she cut it at. I was waiting because I knew it was going to happen. It always happens. It was a matter of time. he went in there and got a drink, I can imagine how much he paid. Because I would have parked my truck and went right to McDonald's and got me a drink for $1. Because I know Burger King type drinks are not $1. Excuse me. Unless he got in a meal or something. Even with a meal, Burger King drinks are still more than McDonald's. Are you messing with Winter? Let her sleep, please. Now, just for the sandwich was $5.54. And that Happy Meals cost too much. Close to $5. McDonald's at $4 right now, but when I go there, I'd rather get the 4 for $4 than get a Happy Meal. At least you get a drink, fried burger, and a chicken nugget. I know with the 4 for $4. I mean, I know with the I know with the Happy Meal, you get a toy though. I mean, that's what the kids want. Oh my gosh, I think I feel like I'm getting full already. Okay. But I don't know. I've been feeling good this week. I need to get a video out. And then when I did get a video out, no, I had no thumbnail. What the hell? I didn't think of that. So, I got another fry. This is not a lot of food. I know I can finish it. I haven't had breakfast, so I should be able to finish it.
Mommy.
You know what? I'm thinking about intermittent fasting.
Mommy.
Yeah?
Mommy.
Huh?
That's the puppy.
I think I can do it.
Mommy, what's this?
This is a puppy.
Puppy.
Oh, it is Secret Life of Pets. I'm about to say, it looks like Secret Life of Pets. It is Secret Life of Pets shoe. Doggy. What does it do? Oh, here we go. Actually wags his tail. What for? Here you go. Here you go. Anyway. Ew. Oh. Now, it's Friday. I'm gonna tell them I'm gonna do Ubers all week. But today, I am really gonna do Uber Eats like I said I'm gonna wait. I thought about it and I was like, I should just wait until Friday and Saturday and do it on the weekends because I know I'm gonna get way more orders on those days versus during the week. And I'm only doing it at nighttime, and I had to leave him with the children to do I did a couple of with the children before, but I think it's too much getting him in and out the car, so you know why I gotta go. So yeah, my goal is to do about 19 trips or more. So, not in I don't know, I probably could do it in 2 days. It'd be worth to try. To do it in 2 days. So, my burger come. They start serving lunch at 10. But you can't redeem coupons until 10:30. I really wanted to use a coupon and get her chicken fingers and a large fry. For $3. Excuse me. Because she likes chicken fingers right now. She's in a chicken finger phase. I forgot to get some jelly. I think of everything I'm going to go shopping. And I forget the jelly. You know how much they love peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, kids today. Oh, my oldest. I know my conversations all over the place. My oldest, that's the only kind of sandwich she really likes unless it's a burger. And with a burger, she really don't want the cheese on it. And she won't eat a ham sandwich. No bologna sandwich. Just peanut butter and jelly. And I'm like, just peanut butter and jelly, really? And then, but she ate some sliders. And she's like, those are good. I could they made out of ham and cheese. The only thing that's different is the bread was on sweet Hawaiian roll bread. So I don't think that was different, but you know how kids are. Christmas is getting close. I see everybody doing Vlogmas. I swear, I do want to vlog. I used to vlog on this channel. But I just have a seat. I know a lot of people do it, but it seemed like it's a have a seat. We finna go. We finna go.
No.
We finna go. We really are. I got one left. Anyway, I really do want to vlog, but I haven't been, I don't know. I just ain't been up for it. I want to, but I ain't been up to do it. I love vlogging. It's easy. You know, a lot of people don't want to watch my vlog. But whenever I do want to vlog, it's going to be on my other channel, Crazy Mom Girls. Maybe one day I'll have a boy and I can change that name. If not, I'll be okay. I don't know. There is, let's see, a big thing with that. Don't have another baby, because if you have another baby, it's going to be another girl. Hey, sit down. That's what I'm being told. And then it got other people who were like, try again, you're going to get your boy. So it's like, and for me, excuse me, honestly, I wouldn't be upset if I had another girl. I have girls, I know I deal with girls. I love my girls. But if I have the boy, I would be happy too. So either way, I'll be happy. Just happy.
What did I do? Anna.
One of them will be a mama's girl.
It's a pie.
Right now, I can say the baby's the mama's girl. Now the rest of them are daddy's girls. But it could always change, because you know how it gets. The older they get, then they start changing. So she might turn into a daddy's girl. Stop. The Biggie King was good to me. You know what? I don't even know nothing better. Biggie cheese, I think. The Biggie cheese was good. Go get you one if you ain't got you one. Especially if you love sauteed onions with barbecue sauce. That's my kind of thing, okay?
I would try toy.
Bigger than a Big Mac. Excuse me. Get you fuller than a Big Mac. Yeah.
Mommy.
But that's why I got her hair in that side ponytail right there, so I can cover up the part that was cut. Yeah, it's Elsa. But I'm gonna let you guys go because this video's already been too long. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Say bye.
Bye.